For this installation, you will need a flat trim puller tool. The hood latch is different than most. Reach under the hood and push the latch to the side to release it. On the driver's side, we'll remove the fuse box cover to get more room to access the headlight bulb. Push the tab in and pull the cover off. You can now peel off the dust cover. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Use your trim tool to pry open the locking tab to remove the wire connector. Plug in the LED bulb and test it. This bulb is polarity sensitive, so if it doesn't light, unplug it and rotate the plug 180 degrees and plug it back in. Line up the tabs on the bulb with the housing and insert the LED bulb. Rotate the bulb clockwise to lock it. Rotate the bulb in the housing until the pigtail is down at the 6 o'clock position. Feed the wires into the housing and replace the dust cover. Replace the fuse box cover and push it down to lock it in place. Now we'll repeat the same steps on the passenger side. Peel off the dust cover and turn the halogen bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Use your trim tool to remove the wire connector. Plug the LED bulb in and test it. Install the LED bulb with the pigtail out to the side. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Rotate the bulb in the housing until the pigtail is down at the 6 o'clock position. Replace the dust cover. You can see the clear cutoff line, meaning the bulbs are installed correctly. When compared to the halogen bulb, the LED is much brighter. When we measure the output with our light meter, the LED far exceeds the OEM bulb. 6000K xenon white LED bulbs look amazing.